Never give up. Ria was a simple girl from a small village. She had a big dream. She wanted to become a successful teacher. Her family was poor and they could not buy many books. Sometimes she studied under a street light because there was no electricity at home. Many people laughed at her dream. They said, "You cannot do it." But Ria did not stop. She believed that hard work was stronger than excuses. Every morning she woke up early and studied for 2 hours before school. After school, she helped her mother with housework and then continued her studies. One day, Ria failed an important exam. She felt sad and cried. For a few days, she lost her confidence. She thought about giving up. Then her grandfather told her, "Failure is not the end. It is a lesson." Every successful person has failed many times before winning. These words changed Ria's thinking. She smiled and started again. She made a new study plan. She read one chapter every day, practiced questions, and learned from her mistakes. She stopped comparing herself with others and focused on improving little by little. Months passed. Her English became better. Her knowledge increased. She became more confident. She believed in herself even when others did not. The next year, Ria took the exam again. This time, she passed with excellent marks. Her family was very happy. The same people who laughed at her now praised her hard work. Ria learned that success does not come overnight. It comes from patience, discipline, and never giving up. Later, Ria became a teacher. She always encouraged her students to dream big. She told them, "Your background does not decide your future. Your hard work and your attitude do." Whenever a student felt weak or afraid, Ria shared her own story. She explained that every problem has a solution if we keep trying. She taught them that mistakes are part of learning. Every small step brings us closer to our goal. Life is not always easy. There will be failures, challenges, and difficult days. But every challenge makes us stronger. Every failure teaches us something valuable. If we stay positive and keep working, success will come one day. Always believe in yourself. Do not listen to negative people. Learn new skills, work hard every day, and never stop trying. Remember, your future is created by the choices you make today. One small step each day can lead to great success tomorrow. Moral: never give up on your dreams. Hard work, patience, and self-belief can change your life.